Hello everyone. Today let's embark on an adventure into the wonderful world of Echinacea, also known as Echinacea purpurea, and discover why this remarkable plant should be your next green companion. Echinacea, a superstar in the world of medicinal plants, is famed for its immune-boosting property. Whether it's a pesky cold, flu, or an infection, Echinacea has been a go-to natural remedy for generations. When it comes to caring for your Echinacea, it's as easy as pie. This plant requires moderate watering about once a week, making it low maintenance and perfect for busy folks. Plant it in the spring and watch it thrive under the warm, sunny skies. Yes, Echinacea loves sunlight and needs about 6 to 8 hours of it each day to stay happy and healthy. Echinacea enjoys well-drained, fertile soil with a pH between 6.0 and 7.5. Harvesting is a breeze too. Simply pick the flowers and roots as needed, and you'll have your own supply of natural medicine right at home. Medicinal uses of Echinacea include immune support. Echinacea is known to strengthen the immune system, helping to ward off illnesses. Cold and flu relief. It's commonly used to reduce the severity and duration of cold and flu symptoms. Anti-inflammatory property. Echinacea can help reduce inflammation, making it useful for conditions like arthritis. Wound healing. It can be applied topically to aid in the healing of minor wounds and cuts. And now, for the grand finale, catchy line to make Echinacea irresistible. Energize your life with Echinacea, nature's secret to a healthier you.
Well, this is SMF, a botanist dedicated to educating about the medicinal benefits of plants. Please subscribe to Botanics by SMF and press the bell icon to stay updated. Let's join the leafy adventure together.